Hello everyone, this is Lieutenant VL Vimla. Let's start with the story. It is a long stretch of road having different natural sceneries in its way. So, everyone loves to travel in that road. One day, the Prime Minister makes his men to place different obstacles like a tree trunk, gravels, and some bushes at a different point of that long stretch road. After this, he makes his men to hide and monitor those obstacles. The Prime Minister himself hides near the final obstacle. He watches if anyone removes the obstacles out of the way. Some of the Prime Minister's wealthiest ministers pass by and simply walk around it. Many people blame the Prime Minister for not keeping the roads clear. One day, a middle-aged man comes in that road in a luxurious car. On coming near to the fallen tree trunk, the middle-aged man realizes either he has to park the vehicle at the roadside and walk to his destination, or face the obstacle, remove it, and continue to have his comfortable journey in his luxurious car. He thinks a while and decides on time that he will face and remove the obstacle and continue to have his journey in his royal car. He gets down from his vehicle and looks for a tool that can support his removal of this fallen tree trunk. Though it is tough, he pushes the tree out of the road. After this, with a sense of success, he continues his journey happily. After some distance, he finds huge amount of gravels being left on the road. He feels slightly irritated. Still, his faith on his decision, combined with a strong willingness to follow his decision, keeps him cool. He gets down from his vehicle and gets to the work of removing those gravels from the road. Again, his sense of success in removing gravels from the road, which in turn supports the continuity of his royal journey, catches his mind, and this has become his habit. Again, his journey continues with a success feel. As he is very close in approaching his destination, there is a new obstacle. This time it is bushes. As it has become his habit, he again gets down from his vehicle and looks around and finds a shovel and removes the bushes from the road. Then he thinks of getting back to his vehicle. Suddenly, he notices a box of precious stones and gold coins lying in the road where the bushes have been. Along the precious stones, there is a note of Prime Minister. The note says, "The precious stones and the gold coins are for the person who removes the obstacles from the road." Dear listeners, in our life too, every obstacle we face has an opportunity to improve our circumstances. Our mindset is everything. We may either work hard, remove the obstacle, and live a royal life, or complain about the obstacle and suffer a poor life. In the long stretch of journey of life too, Consistency in working hard paves a way for our success. The lazy complains about the troubles. The sincere one sees an opportunity in every problem. It is we who choose it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the notifications. Until we meet in the next video, take care.